how to read Instagram messages without saying. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can read Instagram messages without being seen. Now, to do that, you have three methods. The first way is by restricting the user. Instagram restrict feature allows you to limit someone's interactions with your account. So um when you limit someone's a user, when person sends you direct messages, you won't be able, you can read it without being seen. And how do you do that? How do you restrict users? Move to the bottom right corner, click on the profile icon, and then the profiles page, move to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. And so on this page you can see a number of options. The next step is for you to go back to your home page. Actually, this is because you're supposed to go to the profile of the person that you would like to restrict. And so move to the bottom part of the screen, click on the search icon, and then search out the user. If you know the user that you'd like to restrict, or you could just select the user on your home feed, whichever one is fine. So after selecting the user, ensure you go to the user profile page. Once you're on the user's profile page, move to the top right corner, click on the three horizontal or vertical dots that you can see there, and then you can see some options like restrict, block, report. So just click on restrict, and so click on restrict, and then just like that the person will be restricted. Now once person is restricted, if your person sends you a message, you can read it without being seen. This is just one of the ways. Now another thing way to do it is by turning off your Wi-Fi or data. So temporarily turning off your phone's data or Wi-Fi connection is a simple way to read Instagram messages without marking them as read. So you can just turn off your phone's mobile data to make it offline. Then you can go to your Instagram direct message, which is located by the top right corner of the screen, and then you can read the received message, and then that way you can be able to read that message without it being marked as read. Then similar to this is the last step, which is you can log out after reading the message. All right, you can just easily read the message, log out, then read the message, and be cautious, and then stay offline until you are ready to respond. Because you log in again, the message will be marked as read. Or you can just log out, then read the message, and it will not be marked as read. So these are the three different ways you can read Instagram messages without being seen. Thank you for watching and have a good day.